Hey kids, welcome back to the scene of the crime. Just going to be a quick follow-up video focused on safety with respect to using table saws, because the last video wasn't all as perfect as the editing magic showed. In fact, it was quite the contrary. I had a rather significant kickback. You can watch that now. Pretty harrowing, right? Right. So I realized what I did wrong, so I'm going to not do that anymore. I'm going to do a couple of things to alleviate such goings-on from happening in the future, and hopefully it'll be a lot more. Well, not hopefully, it will be more safe for me to use when I use it properly. Anyway, so let's change the. I got a new blade and I got some new fixtures that I'm gonna run through and show you. That will help me avoid doing such stupid shit again. So we're gonna go ahead and install that right now. Don't want this to fall down. Don't want that to fall down. And a little handy dandy wrench. You know what I'm gonna do with this handy dandy wrench? I'm gonna offset it so I can get my fingers away from the blade, because I'm not real keen on having my fingers that close to the blade. All right, it's on there. And then we'll take this thing and this, put it back in here like so. No kickbacks in this garage, son. So this will go here. I hate doing that. I hate using my hands that close to the Okay. Once again, this is the micro jig. I'll put an affiliate link in the description. Made in the USA. So any of you table sawers, have at it, bros.